Hey, folks! Guess what? I'm feeling wild and wacky, and it is Wild and Wacky Month, where you're gonna see lots of wild and wacky recipes from many channels. This month-long collaboration is hosted by Southern Roots by Sherry and Journey Along with Shannon. The point of the collaboration is to introduce you to a wild and wacky recipe, and mine's a doozy. It's called Depression sausage, from the Depression era. Now the weird thing is it doesn't contain any meat. It utilizes black-eyed peas. Let's learn the process. Grab some dried black-eyed peas and let them soak overnight. Next, you'll have to boil them for 1 hour. It's all boiled and drained. Now it's time to mash the peas. Chop an onion. Add it to the pan. A little crushed sage, salt, red pepper flakes, a tiny drop of liquid smoke. Mix that all together. I'm going to mix in a 1/4 cup of flour. It'll be nice and stiff. And I just form it into a sausage shape. Then I just fry them in some oil. We want it to be brown on all sides. This certainly reminds me of something. I can't quite put my finger on it. Depression sausage. Now, will it taste depressing? Who knows? It's soft and slimy on the fork. And the onion definitely pops out, and so does the sage, but it doesn't really feel meaty to me. It definitely feels beany. To see more fabulous recipes, check out the hashtag Wild and Wacky 23. And thanks, Sherry and Shannon, for hosting this wild and wacky collab. What do you call a ball for ghosts? A paraformal activity.